Double-click on foreground color. Set the hex code to 008080. Hit OK. Double-click on background color. Official hex code for orange is FFA500. Hit OK. Click on the adjustment layer icon and choose gradient map. Change the blend mode to something like overlay or soft light. You can change the levels of orange and teal by single-clicking on any one of these, and set the diamond to right or left. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.